Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to learn how to create a tab for all products globally, and also how to add tabs for specific products, categories, or tags using the Smart Tabs plugin. Let's get started. First, we'll learn how to create a global tab and assign it to all products. This is super helpful when you want to show the same information, like shipping, returns, or warranty details across your entire shop. Go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, click Smart Tabs, Product Tabs. Click the Add New Tab button to create a new tab. Give your tab a name, for example, Shipping and Returns. This name will appear as the tab title on your product pages. Now choose your tab type. For this example, I'm selecting the Content type. You can also select the FAQs tab type if you want to display your shipping and return policies in an organized accordion format with questions and answers. In the description box, add your content. For instance, I'm adding some shipping-related information. You can also include tables, charts, or even a map here. Now scroll down to the Show Tab In option. From the drop-down, select All Products. This will assign the tab globally to every product in your store. Once you're done, click Save Tab. Awesome! Let's check out how our global tab looks on the product page. Now let's see how to assign a tab to specific products or categories. Follow the same steps we just did to create a new tab. This time, I'm selecting the Image tab type, for example. Now, I'll add a few images here to create a beautiful image gallery tab. Scroll down to the Show Tab In option, and from the drop-down, choose Specific Products. A search field will appear. Just type and select the products where you want this tab to appear. After selecting your products, click the Save tab. Now, let's visit the product we just selected. You'll see the Image Gallery tab we created, right there on the product page. If you open another product, you won't see this tab, because it's assigned only to the selected ones. You can repeat the same process to add tabs for specific categories, tags, or SKUs. That's all about creating a global tab and adding tabs to specific products or categories. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Smart Tabs features.